Sampson County in central North Carolina until 6:15 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southwest of Warsaw, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Sampson County, including the following locations: Turkey. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.